today it's all about driving it and really experiencing the performance. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the BRABUS Porsche Turbo S, but it's not a normal one. This has been completely modified and redone by BRABUS. We have a lot of parts, we'll have a lot of modification, but just talking about the power, we have 820 horsepower here and we are right here at the Contidrome. Just look at this. On the Conti tuning days, the BRABUS special ones, and we will be driving this Porsche by BRABUS, the 820. The base is the Turbo S. I've did the walk around on this. If you want to watch it, click the info box above. But today it's all about driving it and really experiencing the performance and power of this beast. So our driver for today will be Lance. Yeah, let's just jump inside and say hello. So here we have Lance. Lance is going to drive us today. Lance, are you excited?
A little bit.
So it's time to drive it. Let's jump in, guys, and let's go. We have like a short track. It's like plus 2 kilometers, and we will be starting up the Porsche Turbo S right here, guys. Yes, and we are ready. We are excited. Car is set into Sport Plus. With the PSM on and ready to go.
We have to close now, so let's go down a bit and then we do another one.
Okay. That was crazy. Guys, just look at it. The rain has just started. The car looks so nice in the rain. I just had to share this with you. Wow, proper BRABUS spec, full black with the carbon additional parts, with the BRABUS wheels and with the additional BRABUS wing here on the back. Just look at it. What a beauty.
There's still a problem with the cab. Yeah. Let's see. Einstellen und halt dem auch irgendwann auspegeln. Was hast du im Kaltdruck, Warmdruck? Ja, ja. So diese Geschichten. Das ist schon, also es ist definitiv nicht, wenn man das hast du keine Beine? Fahrwerk und sowas, das ist ja alles. Nein, aber nicht mehr an der Stelle. Standing in Deutschland sind diese Rapsen noch nicht richtig gespielt, deswegen ändert sich das. Und mittlerweile 70% meines Jobs. Okay. Das ist auch geil, ne? Ja, das ist schon. Ich gedacht, das ist jetzt noch so ein Push. Ist ja wieder sehr mau, ne? Das ist gerade Rennen, das ist What do you think about the car?
Oh, this thing is a proper beast, guys. Oh, just as a co-driver, it's one of a hell experience. It's just crazy. It's so fun. How is it as a driver?
Yeah, it's fantastic. I could do that the whole day. So.
Holy. Oh, guys, that's crazy.
But I mean, at the end, it's a thankful car, you know, with 820 horsepower, enough power always. Nice suspension adjustment, so you can play with the car. Eh? Go back to the pits, you know, like this.
It's crazy, man. You are crazy. Oh, one of the best drivers. Oh, one of the craziest experiences. It's just so cool. Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.